All right, we're here at the Hawes Trail System, and this is one of my favorite downhills. This, as you can see, the view is really pretty. And this is the Microwave downhill. It's a lot of fun. It's a little technical, but if you go nice and easy and go at your own pace, it's really not that bad. And this is probably, if you like downhill, this is probably the best. We're going to be riding the Evil Reckoning, and which I really like. It's perfect for this kind of stuff. And let's go ahead and get going. Now it's a little slick and because it hasn't rained very much, but it's still all right. Just got to go easy. Oh yes, nice and dry, but you just pick your line and take it easy, and you'll be just fine. Now we get into the steeper stuff. Not too bad. Watch out so you don't pedal strike like I just did. But you do just be really careful not to stuff your front end, and you'll be just fine. Oh, nice and steep. Oh, little rocks. Not too bad. You want to stay over to one side or the other so you don't get hung up. Oh, nice. Little drops that are a little sketchy, but not too bad. It's just a little dry, as always, but nothing you wouldn't be able to handle. Just as long as you just keep your speed and your momentum, and you'll be all good to go. Look at that. Oh, so much fun. Like technical stuff, it's a perfect trip. Lots of hikers like to do this. Not too many guys ride this, but a few do, because it is actually so much fun. Come down here. Oh yes, perfection. Oh yes. Oh, got my bell on. Make sure. So if anybody's coming up, I'll make sure they know I'm coming down. And just like that, we're done with the Microwave downhill.